Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make ghee or clarified butter at home. This is very simple and easy recipe. You can make it at home. We use ghee along with oil in many recipes. Some dessert, some veg and non-veg dishes. Also we use the ghee for any puja and offering during festival. Ghee is very beneficial. You are much better of making ghee at home instead of buying from stores because they use dalda to make the ghee. Dalda is obviously not healthy. Anyways, I post my recipes every Tuesday and Friday. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Here I have some unsalted butter to make the ghee. I bought from Kroger, as you can see, 1 lb 453 grams. So each stick is 4 ounces 113 grams. So let me remove the packet. Take a heavy bottom pan. Let it melt completely. Keep the flame low because we don't want to burn the butter. As you can see, the butter has already melted. It will start foaming. With the spatula, keep moving the foam on the top so that you can see the milk doesn't stick on the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring every few minutes on low flame. Otherwise the ghee will burn and you will get the burning smell. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Be patient and keep stirring every few minutes and keep the flame very low. It's been 10 minutes. Look at this. The ghee and milk have separated. Let me tell you, how do you know the ghee is ready? When the foam will go away completely, that means your ghee is ready. Make sure you keep stirring on low flame. It will take 5 more minutes. As you can see, our ghee is ready. It looks good and the color has changed. Now turn up the flame to cool down a little bit. I am using the double strainer to strain the ghee. Make sure the strainer should be dry. It's really looking good. I am getting nice aroma. You can keep it in the airtight glass container or jar, or you can keep it in the stainless steel container. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Take care. Bye.